It's a 2015 Kia Sedona. It's part getaway vehicle, part lounge on the go. This Sedona is everything your family needs it to be. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Rear parking sensors, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, leather bucket seats, UVO, AM/FM satellite radio, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver declares the Sedona has everything a minivan must. A solid drivetrain, enough electronic gadgetry to narcotize the kiddies on trips, side windows that roll down, lots of cup holders, and standard airbags in front and all along the sides. The drivetrain is refined and powerful, the chassis is well sorted, and there's plenty of room for plenty of stuff. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. Take it for a test drive today.